Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about 2D coordinate system. In last class, discuss about coordinate plane, distance between 2 points, collinear points, section formula, and point of trisection. In this class, discuss about ratios, types of triangles, and quadrilateral. Here, ratios, if P is equal to x comma y comma z, divide the line segment capital A is equal to x1 comma y1 comma z1 and B equal to x2 comma y2 comma z2. Then the formula for P divides AB. In this concept, A, P, B, these three are collinear points. Here the capital A value x1 comma y1 comma z1 given and B the x2 comma y2 comma z2. The divide coordinates represent x comma y comma z. Then the formula for P divides AB, x1 minus x is to x minus x2 or y1 minus y is to y minus y2 or z1 minus z is to z minus z2. Next, discuss about ratios. In this, if the line segment capital A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2, this line segment AB divides x-axis, then the ratio is minus y1 is to y2. Here, the ratio x-axis divides AB equal to minus y1 is to y2. If the line segment AB divides y-axis, then the ratio is minus x1 is to x2. The ratio y-axis divides AB is equal to minus x1 is to x2. Next, discuss about types of triangles. According to sides, the triangles are three types. First one, a triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle if the three sides of the triangle are equal. Here, this is the triangle ABC. Here, three sides are equal. The angle in equilateral triangle, each one 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Second one, a triangle is said to be an isosceles triangle if any two sides of the triangle are equal. In a triangle ABC, any two sides are equal. For example, AB equal to BC or AB equal to AC or AC equal to BC. Any two sides are equal, then the triangle is isosceles. Third one, a triangle is said to be a scalant if the three sides are not equal. In a triangle ABC, AB side not equal to BC side not equal to AC. Three sides are different. Next, discuss about according to angle basis, the triangles are three types. First one, a triangle is said to be a right angled triangle if one of the triangle is a right angle. To observe that this is a triangle, here one of the angle is 90 degree, then the triangle is said to be right angled. Right angled triangle condition depend upon the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem, largest length of side is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. In a triangle ABC, here angle A is 90 degree, BC is the hypotenuse. 90 degree opposite side represent hypotenuse. This is the largest side compared to AB and AC. AB, AC are the sides. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. This is the condition. For example, here the side AB equal to 3 units, side AC equal to 4 units, and side BC is equal to 5 units. Here the largest length is BC. BC is the hypotenuse. BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Apply the values. 5 square 25 equal to 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. 25, 9 plus 16, 25. 25 equal to 25. Then the condition satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Then the triangle ABC is right angled. Next, discuss about obtuse angle triangle. A triangle is said to be a obtuse angle triangle if one angle of the triangle is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means the angle greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. In a triangle ABC, here angle is 120 degree. The triangle ABC is a obtuse angle triangle. How to check the obtuse angle triangle? In a triangle ABC, BC is the largest side compared to AB and AC. Here the one condition, this is the condition, AB square plus AC square less than BC square. For example, here AB equal to 3 units, AC equal to 4 units and BC equal to 6 units. Here to apply the condition, AB square plus AC square less than BC square, AB 3 square 9, AC 4 square 16 less than BC 6 square 36. 9 plus 16 25 less than 36. Here 25 less than 36, then the triangle ABC is obtuse angled triangle. This is the condition for obtuse angled triangle. Always compare with the largest side. Next, discuss about acute angled triangle. A triangle is said to be a acute angled triangle if one angle of the triangle is an acute angle. Acute angle is angle less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Here one of the angle is less than 90 degree. Here the angle is 40 degree. Then the triangle ABC is acute angle. How to check the acute angle triangle? Here in a triangle ABC, BC is the largest length, then the condition AB square plus AC square greater than BC square. Example, here AB equal to 4 units, AC equal to 5 units and BC equal to 6 units. Then apply the condition AB square plus AC square greater than AC square. Greater than BC square, here BC square. AB square plus AC square greater than BC square. Here the value of AB 4 square 16 plus AC 5 square 25 greater than BC 6 square 36. 16 plus 25 41 greater than 36. Then the triangle ABC is a acute angled triangle. The comparison with the largest side of the triangle. Next, discuss about types of quadrilaterals. First one, parallelogram. A quadrilateral is said to be a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. In this, the diagonals are not equal. The diagonals bisect each other. By observing the diagram, here ABCD is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. AB and CD and BC and AD. These are equal. BC and AD. These are equal. And diagonals, here AC is one diagonal and BD is the other diagonals. These are not equal. Here the diagonals bisect each other. That means midpoint of AC is same as midpoint of BD. Next, discuss about the second one, rectangle. A quadrilateral is said to be a rectangle if opposite sides are parallel and equal. In this case, the diagonals are equal. The diagonals bisect each other. In a diagram, to observe that ABCD is a rectangular, the adjacent sides are 90 degree. Here the opposite sides parallel. AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD. Here the diagonals, AC is one diagonal, BD is another diagonal, AC equal to BD. Here in this case, in a rectangle, the diagonals bisect each other. Next, discuss about rhombus. A quadrilateral is said to be a rhombus if the four sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. The diagonals bisect each other and the diagonals are mutually perpendicular. To observe the diagram, here ABCD the rhombus. In a rhombus, four sides are equal. That is AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to and AD. Here the diagonals AC and BD are the diagonals. AC does not equal to BD. The two diagonals bisect each other. The midpoint of AC is equal to the midpoint of BD. Here the two diagonals perpendicular, mutually perpendicular. Next, discuss about the square. A quadrilateral is said to be a square if the four sides are equal and the diagonals are equal. In a square, the diagonals bisect each other and the diagonals are mutually perpendicular. In a diagram, ABCD is a square. In this square, the adjacent sides are perpendicular. Here four sides equal, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. And the diagonals, AC is the diagonal, BD is the diagonal. These two diagonals are not equal. Here the two diagonals bisect each other. That means midpoint of AC, midpoint of BD is same. And the two diagonals are mutually perpendicular. To observe that the quadrilaterals are four types: parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus. In four quadrilaterals, diagonals are bisect each other, but in a square and rhombus, the diagonals perpendicular, mutually perpendicular. Okay. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also, if you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section. In this video, discuss about ratios and types of triangles and types of quadrilaterals. Next video, discuss about some practice problems.